What's up, everybody? Gholson Family Adventures reality show and CG Racing on here with Gholson the bulldozer here. Driving down to the new garage that is new sponsor, new company that's coming on board to help me get the car ready to go. Gonna have an awesome car. Getting a little nervous on the new setup, but I guess we'll figure it out, I'm sure. But Cassidy's Automotive has come on board, and going down there to check on everything and excuse me, get everything ready for the upcoming year. So pretty excited about it. Chasing my first ever championship on the road. I'll be in Knoxville April 1st if everything goes well and the motor gets rebuilt and stuff. So looking forward to that. Before I go, I'll do something before I go down there. But make sure y'all like, share, subscribe our videos to Gholson Family Adventures reality show. And we're also going to do on the road with Craig Gholson the bulldozer, chasing his first ever on the road championship this year too. So y'all get to see that on this YouTube channel as well. So make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, everything that we do. All right, thank you all, and I will see you in a minute. I'm gonna go in here. Do something. So like, share, subscribe to the videos. Gholson Family Adventures reality show. Thanks.